All right, so there is just a continuation. We'll look at example questions, then from there, then maybe we write exercise, then from there later on we'll do a test and all that. So when you look at this question, this is a question that I had sent yesterday in group. Was saying the sketch below shows the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 8. Find the coordinates of A and B. We want to find the coordinates of A and B. Simple. Every time that we're finding the coordinates of A and B, what are we supposed to use? We're supposed to use the quadratic formula. So we'll go to the equation. The equation is y. Can you stop writing? This sends the foot that we won't say will remain writing. Then 2x minus 8. We're looking for the coordinates of A and B, and A and B are the x-intercept. If you remember very well last week, how do you find the x-intercept? You use the quadratic formula. So I'll say A, in this case, is what? What number is in front there? 1. Then B is negative, and C is what? Negative 8. Then we apply the formula, which is x is equal to negative b, positive or negative, square root of what? B squared 4ac over 2a. It was above? Yes. Then from there we have x is equal to, there is negative here, and here there is negative. So it should be negative 2. Yes. Positive or negative square root of b is negative 2 what is square minus 4. Our a 1. Our c negative 8 over 2 times what is our a? 1. We're good? Yes. Which is x is equal to negative times negative, positive or negative square root of negative 2 squared is what? 4. Not negative 4, no. Positive 4. Okay. Then negative 4 times 1. Negative 4 times negative 8. 32 over 2. Which is x is equal to 2 positive or negative square root of what? 36 over what? 2. Which is now x is equal to, it's okay, I'll continue from there. 2 positive or negative. What is the square root of 36? 6 over what? 2. Now from here we can now what? Separate. Which is our x is equal to 2 plus 6 over 2. Or x is equal to what? 2 minus 6 over 2. Which is x is equal to 2 plus that? 8 over 2. Which means or x is equal to what? Negative 4 over 2. Which means our x is equal to 2 into 4 or x is equal to negative 2. Now we go back. They're saying that we're supposed to find the coordinates here. The coordinates here, you should have both x and what? Y. So our A and our B there. So that means that what coordinate between 4 and negative 2, what coordinate can be, what x coordinate can be at A? Negative 2. Very good. So therefore, the coordinates of A are negative 2, 0 and B are what? 4, 0. See? This example. That's how this question is solved. Very simple question. Very simple question. Did you take this of food? Oh, it's a question area by exam. The way okay. No, you just have to identify. You just have to identify which one, especially up. If you check by A and B, all is negative, so any negative number must be, and this is positive. Sometimes you find both positive numbers. So when you find both positive numbers, you see the one which is less in one, which is a color of you see the exercise. Exercise is required so. Let me answer the last one there, then you write, and then I come back for it again. So Manje, I need to answer it from there. Okay, just write first. I'll rub. So the second one now, we're looking at the minimum point of the graph. Minimum point is the same as the minimum value. You already have the equation, which is x squared minus what? 2x minus what? 8. But I'm find the minimum what? Value, or the minimum point. Minimum point, minimum value is the same. So we have A is 1, our B is what? Negative 2. And our C is what? Negative 8. So our minimum now it will be Y is equal to 4AC minus what? B squared over T 4A, which is Y is equal to 4 times what is our A? 1. Our C? Negative 8 minus negative 2 squared over 4 times 1. Which is Y is equal to this times this. Negative. Okay, negative 2 squared is what? 2, which is times this negative 4 over what? 4, which is Y is equal to negative what? 36 over what? 4 over 4, which means Y is equal to what? Negative 9. Negative 2 squared, which means negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is 4, times that negative which is there. That's why it's giving us. Okay, let me proceed to the second question. The first, okay? So that you learn to come fast. Yes. Okay, let me proceed to the second question. The second question is saying it's just the same. The only difference now here is the way they have written the equation. As the sketch below shows the graph of y is equal to that. So the graph is y is equal to what? Negative x plus 2 and also what? X minus 5. The graph cuts the x-axis at A and B. Find the coordinates of the point A and what? B. Don't go back to expand so that it becomes a quadratic equation. No, we know that at this point, the value of y is what? What is the value of y here? At A and A, 0. Simple. So what is y? I'll just put what? 0 is equal to negative 8 plus 2. Then x minus what? 5. What happens there? You go back to that method of equating each part to what? To 0. It's the same as saying negative x plus 2, then x minus 5 is equal to what? 0. Then you equate each part. This part equated to what? 0. This part equated to 0. Simple. There's nothing like expand, then you go back with this formula. That's why even here you can use even factorization method. It's the simplest rather than the formula method. But you are used to the formula method, so that's why. So we have what? Negative what? X minus plus 2 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So negative x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Which means negative x is equal to, when this one goes there, negative 2. Tell you? Should I add plus 0? So over negative 1 over negative. So that this one x is equal to 2. Or x is equal to, when this one goes there, 5. Now tabwelera futu. So when you look at A and B, which coordinate between 2 and 5 can be at A? Very good, simple. So therefore, the coordinates of A are 2, 0, and B is what? 5, 0. Which concept? So even here you can use factorization method if you want here. Find the product, the sum. So if we say the product is this times this is negative 8, tell you, the sum is what? Negative 2. When you look at the factors, it should be 4 and 2. Now which one must be this one? Tell you. So which means it will be x squared minus 4, x plus 2x minus 8. You group them, 2. What is common here is what? X minus what? 4. What is common here? 2. Then x minus 2 into 8, 4. Which is equal to what? 0. Which is equal to 0. So which means x plus 2 and x minus 4 is equal to what? 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. Which means x is equal to, when this one goes there, negative 2. When this one goes there, positive 4. Ndiye imagine. Where are they? Oh, tafuta. But ndiye ameneza. If you remember position, negative 2. Tevyo? Then we can find 4. So which one is simple? The formula or the factorization? Factorization guy is a choose of factors. Then I find the maximum value. The same formula that we used here is the same formula we're using here. Maximum value is y is equal to what? 4ac minus what? B squared over what? 4a. Y is equal to, now I change up because this formula was not in a quadratic. That's why now you can come and what? Expand it much. Hey guys, there's no way you can find it minus having it. So we have negative x plus 2 and also what? X minus 5. E times e. Negative x what? Squared. This times this positive 5x. This times this positive 2x. This times this negative 10, which is negative x squared here upper plus what? 7. 7 what? 8. Minus what? 10. A is what? Negative 1. B 7. C negative 10.
So from sharing a book,
no paper one magnet must spaces. Show your working. You can't just go direct and write the answer. But must spacing just to do paga space then get just the values go and replace them there. So which means for our A is what? Negative 1 10. Our C negative 10 minus our B is what? Also for we do my bracket 7 what? Squared over 4 times negative 1. So what's up? Yes. Then y is equal to this times this positive what? 4 minus what? 49 over negative 4. Y is equal to, what is 40 minus negative? Negative 9 over negative 4, which means y is equal to 9 over 4, which is equivalent to 1 over 4 as the answer. When you have catafluid, I declare exercise from the graph. So the next time we meet